Take note, this three-wheeled vehicle appears to be operating without a driver, moving forward as though controlled by an unseen force. Unfortunately, it eventually veers into the lake. A jam like this can be unpredictable. This driver has been stuck for quite a while, despite suggestions for improvement. While skilled, there's always room for growth. Share your advice to help him enhance his technique. Observe how the traffic light transitions from yellow to red, yet the truck driver delays braking until it's far too late, leading to an incident. The truck's difficulty navigating a sharp turn caused the heavy container it was towing to sway dangerously due to inertia. This tire seems to have decided to break free, as if it's yearning for a life beyond the road. Such incidents can pose serious safety risks. This three-wheeled vehicle caused a chain of minor accidents, knocking over an electric scooter, spinning aimlessly, and startling nearby drivers. Thankfully, a nearby child intervened to bring the situation under control. Two large trucks attempting to turn simultaneously resulted in one tipping, spilling its cargo and damaging a parked van. This highlights the challenges of maneuvering large vehicles in tight spaces. A concrete mixer nearly flipped over while navigating a corner, a stark reminder of the importance of vehicle stability during turns. A driver who crossed the median was fortunate to escape unharmed, despite the reckless maneuver. This road is notorious for damaging truck tires and rims, emphasizing the need for proper road maintenance and vehicle care. Failing to engage the handbrake, the white car rolled through an intersection, coincidentally in view of a traffic officer who witnessed the oversight. The truck lost control on a slippery road, forcing two nearby motorcyclists to jump into a ditch for safety, a reminder of the dangers posed by wet roads. Truck drivers and police officers found themselves in an unexpected collision. Such incidents underscore the importance of vigilance and mutual respect on the road. A car tipped over, spilling white paint onto the road and inadvertently creating a vivid yet hazardous scene. The semi-truck driver's cheerful demeanor highlights the human element of an otherwise challenging profession. A sudden braking and lane change by the white car caught the truck behind it off guard, demonstrating the need for predictable driving behavior. The white car collided with the median barrier, losing control and further jeopardizing road safety. A red car attempting a U-turn failed to complete the maneuver, blocking the entire roadway and creating a hazardous situation. The drum on the back of the truck appears inexplicably crushed. What could have caused this? Share your theories in the comments. In such a scenario, the driver should turn the steering wheel sharply left while reversing to regain control. This construction site was abruptly flooded, illustrating the unpredictability of flash floods and the importance of disaster preparedness. Truck carrying fresh coconuts caught fire, transforming its cargo into charred remains. This incident underscores the risks of transporting flammable goods. The driver was thrown from the tractor trailer during a tight U-turn. Climbing into the cabin from the rear might have helped regain control. The white car encountered a series of mishaps, exemplifying how poor decisions can lead to repeated challenges on the road. The truck driver's failure to stay alert and observe the road ahead led to a preventable incident. A swinging metal hook near the crane posed a serious threat, capable of shattering the windshield and endangering lives. The truck owner's quick decision to detach the cab from the burning cargo prevented further damage and exemplified excellent crisis management. Excavator climbed out of a dirt hole with remarkable skill, showcasing the precision and versatility of modern heavy machinery. couple arguing inside a car lost control of their vehicle, causing it to crash into a guardrail. This highlights the dangers of distractions while driving. A minor collision caused a man to fall into the back of his three-wheeled vehicle. This incident emphasizes the importance of safety precautions, even in low-speed impacts. A small object accidentally pressing the accelerator caused the truck to lurch forward, trapping the driver at a toll booth, a reminder of the importance of securing the vehicle's controls. Repeated incidents of trucks scraping the roof of a house suggest the need for improved structural design to prevent such accidents. An electric bike suddenly crossing in front of a truck led to an emergency brake on a wet road, causing the truck to lose control and slide. This wheel loader is stuck and will require considerable pulling power to free it, showcasing the challenges of operating heavy equipment in difficult terrain. A devastating crash on May 17, 2022, involved steel coils from a semi-trailer hitting the cab of another vehicle, resulting in a fire that claimed multiple lives. Racing and reckless behavior remain major contributors to such tragedies. A truck slowly slid toward a gas station. Despite the driver's efforts to stop it, the vehicle ultimately collided with a fuel tanker, resulting in serious injuries. Low-lying flatbed trucks, while expensive, are indispensable for transporting oversized cargo. Their adjustable suspension systems enable them to navigate speed bumps and uneven roads efficiently. red truck navigated a flooded street as though it were a submarine, showcasing the resilience of heavy vehicles in extreme conditions. The truck's failure to widen its turn caused its cargo of cakes to spill into a roadside ditch, highlighting the importance of cautious maneuvering. An excavator tumbled down a slope but was heroically rescued by a nearby operator, demonstrating exceptional skill and teamwork in construction safety.